Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair blurry fonts text Windows 11. To start, enter clear in the search box. Click on Adjust Clear Type Text. In the wizard that opens, click Next, and in each step you can choose the image that you think looks sharpest. Complete this process. After that, press Start and open Settings. Here in System, click on About. Then click on the System Protection line. Now in the Advanced tab, click on Settings located in the Performance section. Finally, check the box Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.